Government is taking a new initiative to merge JEE Mains and Advanced and NEET UG with CUET in the coming years. So the idea would be that the students who are already appearing for the CUET PG have the option of physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Why should they apply for three different exams? There should be only one exam they should apply for, and this would benefit the students tremendously. As of now, we have nearly 43 lakh students who would be applying for the CUET UG examination, and this would be held across 61 different subjects. Now the best thing if this is merged is, if you are not getting into a medical college, you do have an option to directly get into other colleges and other bachelor's courses directly. So you don't have to apply for different exams, look for different counseling. There could be one exam, one counseling, and that's all set. Also, the NEET UG which is held so far is based on a paper-based test with OMR testing. It has its own loopholes in terms of evaluation. Those could be ruled out once you have a computer-based MCQ type test. Now note that JEE Mains and Advanced do have numeric questions along with MCQ, where you have a box where you have to fill the answer, let's say 98.00. So this would be another option that could be explored in near future for the questions which pertain to subjectivity, to test the subjectivity of the students. However, so far the notification says the question would be mainly MCQ in nature. Now again, it is beneficial to students because they would have opportunity to join different colleges, different programs, and they would be appearing for just one exam. NTA is planning to establish more centers and have its own centers rather than it giving the centers to other third party, and this would ensure that even at local grassroots level there are NTA centers. This would also make sure that people are not wasting time and resources to commute to far off places just to appear for exam, for which in certain cases those are held only in bigger cities or capital cities. Now this thing can also be ruled out, and even students from a rural area can have a center nearby in the proximity. So that's again one of the added advantage for students. But yes, there is a definite proposal to merge NEET UG and JEE Mains and Advanced to CUET UG. So start preparation for CUET UG right away. The dates are not yet released by which year this would be actually implemented, but yes, CUET UG was implemented this year itself at a very fast pace, and the time period for which the exams were held were pretty long. The reason was this is for the first time there are so many programs and so many domains through which students can opt for appearing in the examination. So probably you could have this thing happen in next 1 or 2 years. So keep your preparation tuned, and below is the link for starting your preparation for CUET UG. Wish you very good luck.